To use the nodejs, we have to go to the nodejs page. So we go to the web page, and then we download the latest versions. And then after we download, we can click on this, and then click continue, and then click continue again, and then agree, and then install. Now we can close it, and then move this installer file to the bin, and then we can search for the terminal. And if we install the nodejs correctly, we can type node-v, and we can see the version of this nodejs. And next, we are going to find a IDE for programming. So I usually use Visual Studio Code. So now we can download this. After you unzip it and open the vscode, you can see something like this. And you can see there are a lot of extensions that we can use, such as some JavaScript snippet. So you can use other IDE, but I will use this IDE in this course.